You get homework help. Let's go. You know what? It's weird. I usually make at least 4 videos, and this week I'm only making 3 because it's a short week. Don't forget, Thursday is the last day of school, and then we get some fall break. You gotta love it, yeah. All right, let's go. We're on page. What page are we on? Maybe I should look. We're on page 62. 62. And we're going to study this little model here, and then we're going to get down to business. School pictures are sold with 9 pictures on a sheet. Haley needs 45 pictures for her family and classmates. Can she buy exactly 45 pictures in sheets of 9? Exactly. In other words, this is a tricky word problem way of saying, is 45 a multiple of 9? Can you count by 9s and get to 45? Check it out. This is what a 9 sheet looks like. And here they're counting it for you. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. And this should ring a bell because of your times tables. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. And 9 times 5 is 45. So the solution, Haley can buy exactly 45 pictures. She needs 5 sheets. Booyaka. It's important that you answer what they're asking. Okay? Exactly 45. Not close. Not a little bit over, a little bit less. Exactly 45. And yes, this is exactly 45. For someone who is not good at multiplication, you should be by now, but if you're not, there's a way to get this right. You take this sheet that I circled, and you draw it over and over again. And you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you go, okay, there's 9. And then you draw it again, and you count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And you just keep on counting, and you keep on counting until you find that you are at 45 or not. And, I mean, that's why multiplication exists. So you don't have to count over and over again. So you can do it faster. So learn your times tables, please. Now for the problems that they don't show you right away what the answer is. There are 12 levels in Liang's new video game. If he plays the same number of levels each day, what are all the possibilities for the number of days he could spend playing the game? Wow, these questions, it's like, they're so abstract. They're so tricky. But they want you to find all the different factor pairs. So think about it. We've got 12, and we've got to play the same number of games each day. So let's draw a little picture. I'm going to use the highlighter button because I think it draws big. So he could play once a day, 1, for how many days? For 12 days. So that's one way to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But that will take a while, won't it? He could play twice a day, and that won't take as long. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That'll only take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. What if he plays 3 levels a day? Oh boy, that's a lot of video games. I bet some of you are like that, huh? 3, 6, 9, 12. Hey, we're there, and it only took us 1, 2, 3, 4 days. What if he played 4 times a day? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, we got to 12. How many days did it take him? 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. What if he plays 5 times a day? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ah! There's a problem with this. There's a problem with this. It has to be same number of levels each day. He played 5, then he played 5, then he played 2. And that equals 12, but is it the same every day? No. So you can't do that. So not 5 a day. How about 6 a day? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 6 a day, and it's the same, and it only took him 2 days. So those are all the different ways he can play his levels, whatever, each day. So what was the question again? Geez, I forgot. What are all the possibilities for the number of days he could spend playing the game? Well, these pictures are the possibilities. He could play it once a day, or he could play it twice a day, or he could play it 3 times a day, or he could play it 4 times a day, or he could play it 6 times a day. Oh, you know what else he could do? I almost forgot. He could play all 12 in one day if he wanted to. So he could play 12 times in one day. And you know what we just listed? We just listed all the factors of 12. We got 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. So knowing your factors helped you solve this unusual problem about video games. A basketball team scored 37 points in 1 quarter. Is the number 37 prime or composite? So they want you to show work. So one way to do this is to think about 37 and what can you do to get to 37? You can do 1 times 37. What other factors are there? You can't do 2 times anything because 37 is an odd number and 2 only fits into even. What about 3? Think about your 3 times tables. 3 times 10 is 30. What about 3 times 11? That's 33. No, that's not it. What about 3 times 12? Do you know 3 times 12? That's 36. And if we add another 3, that's just going to be 39. So no, 3 doesn't work either. How about 4? No. 5? No. 6? No. 7? I mean, gosh, no, I don't think so. No, 7 doesn't work. Well, geez, only 1 times 37 works. So what kind of number is that? When all that you have is 1 and the number itself, you can't be composite. Nope, you are prime. 37 is a prime number. And we're on page... Oh, did I forget to say what page we're on? I hate when I forget to say that. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. But we're still on page 63, and this is our last problem. Here we go. Grant walks 2 miles every day. Which could not be the number of miles that Grant has walked after some numbers of days? In other words, if you skip count by 2, which one will you not hit? So if we skip count by 2, okay, 2, well darn, you'll definitely hit 2, so that counts. 2, 4, oh, we skipped 3. You don't get to 3, do you, when you do 2 every day? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so 10 is safe. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, that's safe. Noelle chose B as the correct answer. How did she get that answer? Well, Noelle's correct because we're correct. So what did Noelle do? Well, what did we do? Well, we skip counted. We skip counted by 2s, and we paid attention to which numbers we would not count. So when you skip count by 2, you do hit 2, you do hit 10, you do hit 18, but you'll never say 3 if you're skip counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, right? So 3 gets skipped. All right, guys, that one was pretty easy actually. This one's harder if you can't see that 1 times 37 is the only way it works. This first one's the hardest one because we had to do so much work, and the way that it's asked, the way the question is asked, you might think, well, what do they want from me here? They want you to show them, all the different ways you could play the same number of levels each day. And then after you make a picture or whatever, you can write all your answers down, and look, you've got all the factors. So pictures can help you figure out factors. And we'll work some more on that together if you think we need to. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you tomorrow. And we're going to get a nice long fall break weekend. Isn't that exciting? All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Don't be late. Bye.